Being a girl, it gets really hard sometimes to find peers who share the same interests. So it becomes very important to find a platform of like-minded individuals. And that's how my journey started. Tighten your seatbelts for my story, which started from building scratch games and goes all the way to give a tour of the 7 wonders of the world using a VR device. Hello everyone, my name is Sanchi Bansal and I am 15 years old. My journey with technology started 3 years back when I came across MakerBoard from Avishkaar. The thought of creating something and coding it to work on my commands was so exciting that I had to get into it. So I took my first step by enrolling myself in Avishkaar's IoT micro degree. I bought an Avishkaar's MakerBoard kit. After my classes started with the Avishkaar trainers, I created several games like ping pong, snake and food, quizzes, animations, etc. I also made multiple IoT-based applications like COVID-19 symptom checker.
It was a good judgment on our part to push her to pursue this course. We saw her interest in coding and let her choose what she wants to do further about it.
I started participating in Avishkaar's Innovator of the Month challenge since the beginning of 2023 and I have won multiple prizes for it as well. I was the grand winner of the month of May when I invented a virtual tourism game called Monumania. So Monumania uses VR. I have coded several videos of monuments from all over the world, so you can just choose which monument you want to see and you can visit it virtually. I have become so active after studying with Avishkaar that I work on AI projects with my Atal Tinkering Lab in school to work on community problems as well.
She shows so much passion to build something unique for the world, and we are so grateful for that one decision we took, enrolling her to Avishkaar.
I want to say one last thing to all my peers and young children. We are the young generation that is born and brought up by gadgets. We should ask ourselves, what is the working of this device that we spend hours on every day? Necessity might be the mother of invention, but curiosity and interest is the fuel that will keep your passion alive.
If you are a mother who is confused as to what decision you should take for your child, take my advice and let your child pursue their passion so that they can have fun while learning in whatever field they choose to go, be it science, arts, medical, robotics, or even if they want to go to space.